Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe to unravel the secrets of a delicious and mouth-watering meat recipe. Flavorfully spiced and slow-cooked to perfection, this tender meat is something you will definitely love. So grab your favorite apron and let's whip up some Goan magic. Our recipe for today is Delicious Goan Pork Roast. Step 1. Preparing the marinade. Take half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds, 3/4 teaspoon or around 45 black peppercorns, 1-inch piece of cinnamon stick, 8 cloves, 2 medium-sized green chilies, 1-inch piece of ginger, 12 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of Goan vinegar. If Goan vinegar is not available, apple cider or palm vinegar can be used. Break the cinnamon sticks into smaller pieces. Cut the ginger, garlic and green chilies into smaller pieces. This will help while grinding them. In a mixer grinder, add all the ingredients. Grind to a smooth paste. Ground paste is ready. Step 2. Marinating the meat. Take 1 kg of pork meat along with its skin. Add the ground paste. Apply the paste all over the meat, ensuring every part of the meat is properly covered with the marinade. Pierce the meat all over with a fork, as this will help the marinade to go deep inside the meat.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Remove any marinade stuck on the sides of the bowl and apply it to the meat. Cover and keep aside for at least 1 hour. If marinating for a longer duration or overnight, then keep the meat in the refrigerator. Step 3. Preparing the other ingredients. Take 4 red Kashmiri chilies, 2 red Bedki chilies, 8 to 10 black peppercorns, 1.5 inch of cinnamon sticks, 6 cloves, 1-inch piece of ginger cut into small pieces, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. Break the cinnamon sticks, the red Kashmiri chilies and red Bedki chilies into smaller pieces. 3 medium-sized onions which are sliced long. Step 4. Cooking the meat. Place an open, thick bottom pan on medium heat and add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the cloves. Then add the black peppercorns, the cinnamon sticks. Stir everything nicely. After a minute, add 3 medium-sized onions which are sliced long. Stir everything properly. After 2 minutes, add the cut ginger pieces. Stir it nicely. Add half teaspoon of salt. Stir frequently to prevent burning. After 2 minutes, add the broken pieces of red Kashmiri chilies and Bedki chilies. Stir it nicely. Once the onions change color and become translucent, which may take around 6 to 7 minutes, add the meat chunks but do not add the marinade liquid. After 2 minutes, turn the pieces so that the meat is directly touching the base of the pan and the skin is facing on top. Try and bring the onions and chilies above. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Cooking the meat for 10 minutes without adding any liquid will help in locking the juices and make the meat tender and flavorful. After 10 minutes, open the pan and turn the pieces. Rinse the bowl with half cup or 125 ml of water to release the remaining marinade and add it in the pan. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Also add half cup or 125 ml of water.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Now add another half cup or 125 ml of water. Cover and cook the meat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add half teaspoon of salt. Cover again and cook for another 15 minutes. In between, keep turning the pieces so that all the sides are cooked. Then cover and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. In between, keep turning the pieces so that all the sides are cooked. Keep adding a little water whenever the water in the pan reduces. Do not let the meat cook without water, otherwise it will burn and stick to the pan. Turn the pieces frequently. You need to stir occasionally and keep adding little water as required to prevent the meat from sticking to the pan.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
After around 45 to 50 minutes of total cooking time, check if the meat is cooked by inserting a fork. Remove the meat once it is cooked. If not, keep cooking and check every 5 minutes. The cooking time will entirely depend on the type of meat and the cut you have bought. Step 5. Slicing the meat. Using a sharp knife and fork, cut the meat into medium thin slices or any thickness you prefer. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Pork roast slices are ready. Step 6. Preparing the pork roast. Place the pan containing the gravy on medium heat and bring it to a boil. Once the gravy starts boiling, add the meat slices. Cook for 5 minutes or until the gravy thickens. Stir it and bring the pieces from the bottom to the top. All the pieces should be nicely cooked in the gravy. Check for salt, spice, sweetness and sourness and add whatever is required. Cook for some more time without covering if you prefer less gravy with your pork roast. You can serve the pork roast with or without its skin. Entirely depends on you. Delicious pork roast is ready. Enjoy this delicious pork roast with rice, pulao or bread. You can also make wonderful sandwiches. Do write a comment to let us know your feedback on this recipe, and please press that like button if you appreciate our efforts to bring you these detailed recipe videos.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.